Okay, so how are you? Hope you all are good. So today I'm gonna tell you that how we can mix color. It's so fun. So first I'm taking red and green one and we get brown color. This is so beautiful, seriously. So okay, so I have to clear this first. Now I'm gonna take green and blue and we get a kind of teal color. Okay, let me clear this first. Now I'm gonna mix with red, green and blue and we get a kind of mud or light brown color. Now I'm taking maroon color and mixing with blue color, so we got purple color. This is so beautiful. Okay, so now I'm adding three colors. Okay, so first maroon, then blue and green, and we got a tail color the same we got before. Okay, so I'm gonna clear it. Now I'm gonna try second layer. So I'm mixing orange color with yellow color and we got a kind of yellowish color. You can say that it's beautiful yellow orange color. So I'm gonna take orange, yellow and cyan color. So we got beautiful parrot green color. Okay, now I'm gonna clear it. I'm gonna take light purple color with the cyan color. We got sky blue color and I'm gonna mix with the yellow color, so we got beautiful sea green color. Okay, let me clear it again. Okay, so I'm gonna try third row. So I have taken purple with black, we got dark purple color, and now I'm adding white color. Oh, it's kind of light purple color. So let me clear it first. Now I'm gonna try red, orange. So it's basically orange, light orange color, and we'll add purple color, so we get dark orange color. So I'm gonna add green and yellow. We got purple, parrot green color, and now I'm gonna add black, so we got dark green color. Now I'm gonna try blue and cyan. It's a kind of sky blue color, and I'm gonna add with white, so we got light sky blue color. Okay, let me clear it. So I'm gonna try maroon color with the light purple color. We got kind of light gray color. Okay, let me clear this. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So last I'm gonna try red, yellow and blue. We got brown color. I'm just trying different colors, color mixing is so fun. I'm gonna take purple, yellow and blue and we got dark color. Now I'm gonna take all the colors: red, green, blue, maroon, orange, yellow, cyan, light purple, purple, black and white. Let's see what we get. So this is approximately 9% of each, I guess. Okay, so we got a kind of, I don't know what's the color is this. So I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, comment, of course, like this video, and share with your friends. See you next time, guys. Bye bye and take care.